Hi, this is Karen with RenovatedFaith.com, and this week on the blog, we are talking about the cost to repaint your kitchen cabinets. A few months ago, I refinished all my kitchen cabinets. They were a honey oak color in the original stain, and I refinished them on my own, and I've been so pleased with how they've turned out, the durable finish, and that there are not any paint strokes in the finish. So we're going to talk about how much that cost, what all is involved, how much it costs to hire a professional, and then questions you want to make sure to ask a professional so that you get the most durable finish possible and that you're not calling them in a month to come back and fix your peeling cabinets. So all of that is in this week's blog post and video, and I will also include my tips to get a really durable finish on kitchen cabinets. Before we get started, it's important to note that it's always worthwhile, whether you're doing your cabinets yourselves or hiring out the painting, to sand and prime so that you don't end up with a peeling mess like this on your hands later on. Second, it's so important to use the right paint. After testing 24 different brands of paint, I decided to use Benjamin Moore Advance on my cabinet project, and the results have been extremely durable and beautiful. So, first of all, let's talk about the cost to hire out your cabinet painting project. The average cost to hire a professional is between $3 and $6.70 per square foot. Now, there are several considerations that can add to that base cost, including repairs because of your cabinet condition, whether you need a grain filler, the color, and also additional surface prep. For a small kitchen, that's usually around $900 to $2,500. For a medium kitchen, $2,500 to $4,200, and for a large kitchen, $4,200 and on up. Now let's discuss the cost to paint your kitchen cabinets yourself. The average cost to DIY your kitchen cabinet painting is about $2.50 to $6.70 per square foot. On my kitchen, I spent about $2.67 per square foot. Considerations when painting your own cabinets are the type of paint used, the painting method, whether with a brush or roller, the color of paint, and also any damage that's already on your cabinets before you start. Painting your own cabinets, while it is a lot of hard work, you can save a lot of money and still get gorgeous results and a durable finish. Check out my guide on painting your kitchen cabinets yourself for the best products and when to use them. And don't forget to download my cabinet painting roadmap to show you what to do when. Also, to see more details about how much it costs to hire out your cabinet painting or do it yourself, see the rest of this blog post at renovatedfaith.com.